Hello everyone. Today I am going to present a original study on comparative evaluation of efficacy of customized maxillary oral appliance with mandibular advancement appliance as a treatment modality of moderate obstructive sleep apnea patient, a randomized controlled trial. Obstructive sleep apnea is the condition in which there is a frequent obstruction of normal airway due to fallback of the tongue. Since the tongue fall back, it closes the internal airway and patient has to wake up again and again. These lead to frequent wake up for the patient, which lead to obstructive sleep apnea. Coming to the solution, we design a maxillary plate which will be placed on the upper jaw of the patient with a hollow vent into it from anterior part to posterior part of the pharynx and a tongue bulge which will hold the tongue in its place and prevent fallback of the tongue, which will give adequate air flow to the patient and give a sound sleep. Customized maxillary oral appliance can be fabricated by making intraoral scanning. They get the STL file. Then a CAD/CAM designing of the model can be done of the plate with a hollow vent and posterior tongue bulge which will hold the tongue, and it can directly be 3D printed. The novelty of customized maxillary oral appliance is its ergonomic design. It's, it is reusable, it is invisible in patient's mouth, and can be connected to CPAP machine, and also can be used in other respiratory diseases like asthma. Aim and objective of the study is to evaluate the efficacy of customized maxillary oral appliance compared with mandibular advancement appliance in moderate obstructive sleep apnea patients. Objective of the study is to evaluate the AHI, SpO2, RDI, and ESS in the subject without customized maxillary and mandibular oral appliance. And second objective will be same parameters to be evaluated with the customized maxillary and mandibular oral appliance after 1 month. Same parameter to be evaluated with customized maxillary and mandibular oral appliance after 3 months, and to compare AHI, SpO2, RDI, and ESS in the subject with and without customized maxillary and mandibular oral appliance after 1 month and after 3 months. Methodology used for the studies: a prospective intervention study was carried out with 40 patients. Polysomnography, that is PSG, was done for the participant, and those with an apnea hypopnea index AHI greater than 50 to 30 were included in the study. Study participants were randomly divided into two treatment groups. Group 1 was a control group, group subjected to mandibular advancement device, that is 20 patients were 20 subjects were taken, and group 2 was subjected to the customized maxillary oral appliance with 20 subjects. Baseline measurement of AHI, oxygen saturation in the blood, that is SpO2, oronasal airflow via respiratory disturbance index, that is RDI, and Epworth Sleepiness Scale ESS were recorded for the group. Appliances were fabricated and delivered to the respective study group participant after 1 month and 3 months of delivery of the appliance. All the parameters were re-evaluated and compared with the baseline measurement. These were the observation. When the paired t-test applied to the intra-group analysis showed that the group mandibular advancement and customized maxillary oral appliance for the parameter AHI had statistically significant value, p-value. Similarly, it showed significant p-value with SpO2, RDI, and Epworth Sleepiness Scale. Coming to the conclusion, there was a statistically significant reduction in mean AHI and RDI score when compared from baseline of 1 month, 1 month to 3 months, and from baseline to 3 months. There was a statistically significant improvement in mean SpO2 score and ESS score when compared from baseline to 1 month, 1 month to 3 months, and from baseline to 3 months. Based on the present study data, it can be concluded that customized maxillary oral appliance is equally efficient to mandibular advancement appliance in managing the moderate obstructive sleep apnea. For the scope of the study is the CPAP machine can be easily attached to customized oral appliance with the help of small connector. This can be effectively proved in managing severe OSA and will have higher compliance rate as the need for the mask will be eliminated and replaced by the customized maxillary oral appliance. Further study are needed to check the efficacy of the hybrid appliance, that is CMOA and CPAP. The appliance is under evaluation for its effectiveness in managing COVID-19 patient. Coming to the limitations, uh, the sample size is very less. Longitudinal study involving other parameters such as rapid eye movement, non-rapid eye movement, electrocardiography, electroencephalography, and oxygen desaturation index also need to be evaluated to prove the authenticity of the customized maxillary oral appliances. These are my references. Thank you.